In this video, I'm going to show you how to order food with Cash App without using a physical Cash App card. It's a quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along carefully. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open your Cash App and tap on the Cash Card icon at the bottom of the screen. If you already have a Cash App card linked to your account, you can tap the eye icon to reveal your virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Next, open your food delivery app or restaurant app, such as Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub. Go to the payment section and enter your Cash App virtual card details just like a normal debit card. Once the card is added, you can use it to pay for your food order without needing the physical card. You can also add your Cash App card to Apple Pay or Google Pay and use those payment methods inside supported food delivery apps. This makes ordering even faster and more convenient. If you do not have a Cash App card at all, some local restaurants or small businesses may still accept direct Cash App payments through your cash tag. In that case, you can send the payment directly through the Cash App by tapping the $sign, entering the amount, and paying the business account. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.